Hi everyone, welcome to the Our Research YouTube channel. Through this video, we bring to you about the amazing places in the world that can be visited and some places where you can pitch tent and stay for rest along with the trip. We are going to talk about some of those wonderful places in Sri Lanka through this video. Let's see about it. Today I would like to talk about the camping place that we will talk about first. Narangala. Mount Narangala is a popular mountain located 97 km from Baththalan district in Uva province. It rises up to 1,500 meters and has two entrances, Kinakale site and Thangamale temple. The Kinakale site is usually popular with hikers. Narangala mountain is the second highest peak in Uva province, second only to Mount Namunukula. It is known as Golden Mountain among the Tamil people due to its sharp rectangular peak. From a distance, it looked like a very impressive sight with green scenery and the beauty of the surrounding hills. Sunrise the morning provide stunning views of the Nayapatta Madulsima area, Punagala area, Idalgasinna Haputale Plateau, Namunukula range and Horton Place, Narangala Reserve. The closest city to the place is Baththalan, which is 90.7 kilometers away. The best time to visit Narangala mountain is January through September and December. The average temperature in March is 31 Celsius, while the average temperature in January is 28 Celsius. To climb the mountain, one should wear warm clothes, hiking shoes with good grip, bug repellent, water bottle and energy strips. Now let's talk about second place, Madulsima. Madulsima is a village in the Uva province of Sri Lanka, popular for trekking and camping. It is located 51.6 km. It takes 2 hours and 40 minutes from an elevation of 383 meters. The highest part of the mountain below to Robbery Gardens, where Madulsima Mini World Inn is located. Hawagala is a popular trekking spot located at the northern end of the Madulsima range. From Alla Drive along the Alna Passara road past Kabaragala to Passara. From there, travel along the Passara Madulsima Matikahatanna road to Madulsima. Third, we would like to talk about Namunukula. The Namunukula range is a mountain range in the Uva province of Sri Lanka. It comprises the highest peak in Uva province at 2,035 meters and is also the 12th highest mountain in Sri Lanka. Trekking is best during the dry month as there is least rainfall and least leeches. Leech protection is necessary in the form of suitable anti-leech socks as anti-leech spray can be easy wash off the skin by rainwater. From Alna, take the Alna Passara road and continue uphill past Balkotuva and Passara until you reach Namunukula. The best and easiest to start from post 3 of the Passara Baththalan road, Raina Pine Estate is accessible by car up to the foothills of the Narangala domain. The first European to reach the summit of Namunukula was on March 21st. On the Namunukula side of the ridge, an acres of land. It is free of rock and its surface and soil consists weathering quartz and quartz gravel discolored with black in some places. The vegetation is distinctive and very different from that of the forest below, consisting of white gravel or dark soil covered with mosses and lichens, with legal tree and shrubs growing in clusters separate from each other by small open spaces. The plant through dwarfed and stunned look fresh and healthy, as if they were struggling for life with the element. Rhododendron is one of the most important plants among plants. This mountain has potential to become a great camping site due to its good weather, wildlife habitat, panoramic view, and rugged access. Fourthly, I will say Baththalan. Baththalan is an island located off the northwest coast of Sri Lanka and accessible from Kalpitiya. It is the farthest and second largest island in the archipelago and has an area of 145.53 hectares. The boat ride from Kalpitiya to Baththalan is full of wonderful views. There are 40 islands off the northwest coast of Sri Lanka. Camping at Baththalan beach is the best time to visit as the sea is calm from December to April and rough from May through October and November. It offers breathtaking views of the sunset, pool, ocean, delicious sightseeing, photography and nature. Kalpitiya is 1.9 km away from the starting point of the Baththalan boat ride, which takes 50 km to reach Baththalan. After that, Hawagala is talking now. Hawagala is a beautiful mountain near Berul, surrounded by popular landmarks such as Mount Love, non-parallel estate and hot plains. The Hawagala walk provides breathtaking views of the lush green environment of Kabaragala province. The climb up to Hawagala is difficult, but the view from the top is worth it. Local and foreign people are drawn to the surrounding field, forest, mountains and beautiful waterfalls, making it a hot spot for tourists in Kabaragala province. The sixth place we are talking about is Kabaragala of the Dolos Bar range in the central province of Sri Lanka. It has an almost flat topography near the top, similar to Horton Plains, and a huge fallout. It is located on the border of Gampola and Navalapitiya, and there is a good public transport service. From Gampola, travel along Kandy Road and pass Peradeniya to reach Gampola. They turn onto Gampola Craighead Road and continue to Dolos Beach. The Kabaragala walk starts from the Maryville Junction on the Navalapitiya Dolos Beach Road. The best time to visit Kabaragala is from January to April. In July and December, you can expect limited to average rainfall in Kabaragala. But apart from warm temperatures, the highest average temperature in Kabaragala is 30 Celsius in February and the lowest is 28 Celsius in August. Kabaragala mountain climbing is a great place for trekking and adventure camping. The hike takes you through different types of terrain through a mountain village and a sauna-like grassy slope on the way to the top of the hill. You will need a descent through a tea garden and go over steep rock and stay out to climb back up to mountain. If you are an experienced trekker, it is only a 1 hour trek. The view from the top is fantastic with mountains nearby and mist for a long distance. The road is clear till the end of the village and its savanna with hilltop trees is clearly visible. Kabaragala camping is also a great place for trekking, but it is recommended that you bring camping essentials. Dealing with the weather at night can be challenging, so it is important to dress appropriately for the weather. Talking about the 7th place in Idalgasinna. The Idalgasinna mountain range is located in the Namunukula mountain range at an altitude of 1,650 meters above sea level in the Baththalan district of Uva province. Hiking, camping, sunrise and sunset are the most demanding activities for mountaineers. Idalgasinna railway station is also a popular tourist attraction. Travel time is 31 minutes from Baththalan to Idalgasinna, and the best time to visit is January, March and June to September. 8th place is Hawagala. Hawagala mountain is a famous mountain range located in the Kalupahana area of the Baththalan district in Uva province. It is popular for camping and has view of Kabaragala Falls. The single-day folk festival is Hawagala and it is called Hawagala Festival because the top of the mountain looks like a face. Hawagala and Hawagala mountains are two different peaks and are considered the same peak by local and tourist climbers. Subscribe and press the bell button to push this video daily. Share this video to let others know. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. See you again in the next video. Like